So I'm just making my porridge, baked porridge, and here I've got one cooking apple and an orange just blitzed together in the food processor. And I'm going to mix that with 2 tablespoons sweetener, 40 grams of oats, and I've got some green and blacks cocoa powder, and I've just weighed out 5 grams of that. That's going in as well. And I've put in some almond natural flavouring. That's going in as well. So all I'm going to do is mix it all together, and then I'll be back to you in a second. Okay, so I've mixed it all together and added some skim milk, about 100 mils worth, 120 mil, and I reckon that'd be fine now. So you could add an egg at this stage if you wanted to go for the traditional baked oats route, but I'm quite enjoying it as it is. Had this yesterday, similar, and it's just a slow cooked porridge in the oven. It's really nice. So I'm going to pop that into a dish with a few almonds and bake it for about 40 minutes at 180. When I walked into the kitchen, all I could smell was chocolate and orange. So this is sort of a chocolate orange porridge oats. As you can see, it's crunchy on the top. If I get a spoon, 1 second. So yes, if I get a spoon, you can see it's crunchy. Then I'll take a scoop out, and it's quite thick porridge-like, as you can see. You could have it a bit more runny if you wanted, if you'd added more milk. But I think that's a real lovely, heartwarming, gooey, sticky, tummy-warming, happy tummy feel food. So I'm going to tuck in. Less talking.